Hi, everyone. It's Justin Golston, and I wanted to take a moment to give a demonstration of the proposed tool that we look to introduce into the Introduction to FinTech class, as well as in the FinTech specialization program. This tool is called Gemach Alpha Intelligence. Was created by a company, Gemach. They are an AI organization that has been developing this tool for a number of years. And the difference with this tool as compared to other tools like ChatGPT is that they leverage autonomous agents where instead of having one large model such as ChatGPT, you have a number of different models, a number of different agents that work together to come to a solution or to work together to check each other's work to reduce or to mitigate that risk of hallucinations like we see in ChatGPT. So in one tool, yes, we do have something they refer to as the playground, where that's where you're going to have kind of that ChatGPT output. But as you can see, so one use case that I was working with them on is within a fintech program in DeFi, decentralized finance. So I can say, what is the current price of Bitcoin, right? So within here, you can see that the agents are working and coming up to a solution. And this would be very helpful in our computer science programs, where the students could see how these agents actually come to a solution, if you will. So you can see the code here. It's actually still working, so it'll have an output out here shortly. So again, you can see all this code. And while this is actually performing the output, I'll actually go to kind of where this setup is performed. And here's where the true value is from a fintech program and how it could be applicable to a number of different programs at National University. So it's kind of a step-by-step process where you would have something referred to as skills. So all of these agents would have skills. So if you look at it from from a university perspective, right? You could have tutors, you could have professors, you could have administration, and each one of those agents could have a number of different skills. So if I had an agent that was administration, then I could actually have a skill to approve something. So we can automate approvals, right? That'll go more into the workflow section. So if we're in the classroom, then I could actually have skills to check grammatical errors. And then I could have a number of different agents checking different things. So I could have an agent that's checking the assignment and the requirements for the assignment. I have an agent checking the grammatical errors. I could have an agent that is ensuring that, all the quizzes or all of the discussion boards or all of the assignments have been completed for that particular week. So all of these skills, you could have a variety of different skills for our particular class. So you can see that some of these skills have been pre-built. Once again, I have worked with the organization. They have agreed to create additional skills for the FinTech program free of charge. So also, in addition to that, we have what we refer to as agents. So again, we could have someone checking errors. We have someone that is checking, the assignment. So within here, we have different traders. So they're actually doing a use case for algorithmic trading. So they're going to create an AI bot to actually trade on DeFi, on chain, on blockchain. So this is a use case that we're going to talk about within the FinTech program. So we can have a number of agents, and then once we have these agents set up, then we actually apply skills to these particular agents. So once we have all of these agents set up, the last step is the workflows. So the workflow is essentially how all the agents communicate and talk to each other. That's where they can check each other's work. That's where once one task is complete, the next agent comes in, completes the next task, completes the next task, completes the next task. Similar to workflow we have here at National University. But now this is using AI, and now this process is automated. Okay. So once all this is set up, then you can go into the playground